Good morning, students. Today we will see the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Both the tenses express an action which began in the past and still continues. Example: I have waited for this moment since childhood. I have been waiting for this moment since childhood. Now you see, both the tenses can be used to express action which began in the past and still continues. But every verb cannot be used in the continuous tense. I have always felt affection for animals. So here the verb felt is used in present perfect tense. It cannot be used in perfect continuous tense. I have always been feeling affection for animals. This will be wrong. So there are some verbs which cannot be used in continuous form. According to the situation, you have to see. Sometimes they cannot be used in continuous tense. For example, in this situation, I have always felt affection for animals. Now let us take an example to make the things more clear that present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense means the maid has washed all the cauldrons. Now has washed is present perfect tense. Here when we are using present perfect tense, that means the action is finished, complete. The maid has washed all the cauldrons. And the second example, the maid has been washing the cauldrons. Here the action is still going on. That means the action hasn't completed. Important point: verb like stay, sit, stand, study, lie, learn, live, rest, wait. These are static or passive verbs. These verbs cannot be used in, or most preferably these can be used in present perfect continuous. Better to use these verbs in perfect continuous tense. Example: I have been standing here for hours. In place of using I have stood here for hours, most probable answer should be I have been standing here for hours. Now let us see when to use for and since. These words for and since both are used in the tenses perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. So let us see how to use them. For shows a duration of time, period of time. Example: for an hour, or for 2 months, for 3 days. So it has been raining for 3 days. That means continuously it has been raining for 3 days. It is the period or duration of time mentioned here. When we talk about some point of time, we use since. Since shows some point of time in the past when the action began. Example: since 5 p.m., since morning, since 2019. So since shows point of time. That means some specific time is given. 5 p.m., year is given, name of month is given, morning, evening. So like this, there we will use since. Thank you. Have a nice day.